change. Are you ready? I am, because I am putting Barack Obama as the captain of our ship. My fellow Americans, this is not the time to have an old man as the captain of our ship. It's also not the time to have a candidate with womanly spitefulness as our captain. And we need a captain for our ship who will steer us safely through the shoals of danger. Only this man, Barack Obama, is such a captain. We must elect him. Make Barack Obama the captain of our ship so that when the storm of change blows across America, we will be prepared. Thank you, my fellow Americans. And those of you in the Gladly Voice community, we urge you to get on the ship captained by Barack Obama so that you won't drown in this storm of change. Thank you, my fellow